Hello everyone, welcome back to the Political Insight. So in this very first video lecture, we are going to understand and discuss about some of the very important terminologies जो कि हमको अपने सब्जेक्ट को और अच्छे से जानने में हेल्प करेगा. So the three terminologies that we are going to understand in this particular video are polity, politics and political science. So these three terms belong to a single family. Polity is the structural aspect of it, politics is the functional aspect of it, and political science is the academic aspect of it. Now let's understand in detail कि polity का मतलब क्या है. हिंदी में polity को हम राज्य व्यवस्था भी बोलते हैं, यानी स्टेट को कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाएगा, या फिर political system in practice in a particular country, कैसा होना चाहिए एक कंट्री का political system. How the political system or polity must be in a country is mentioned in the country's constitution. Indian constitution में ये बताया गया है कि Indian polity कैसा होना चाहिए. हमको ये कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? In the articles and in also the preamble. Preamble में हमको ये देखने को मिलता है कि इंडिया को कैसा होना चाहिए? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. And also in article 1 of the constitution we see that India, that is Bharat, shall be the union of states. Similarly, in different countries' constitution, their political system, the aim of the polity has been mentioned. Like the Indian polity is parliamentary form, whereas the American political system is presidential form, and the UK's political system or polity is constitutional monarchy. So the structural part is known as polity, and it contains all the institution, all the political system that constitutes a state. There are many institutions that comes under this as well, that are legislature, executive, judiciary, एंड इनको असिस्ट करने के लिए भी और सारे पार्लियामेंट्री कमिटीज होते हैं. इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करने के लिए इलेक्शन कमीशन होता है, यूपीएससी होता है. सो देयर आर मेनी इंस्टीट्यूशन जो कि गवर्नमेंट को प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग में हेल्प करता है. ये इंस्टीट्यूशंस बस बना देने से हमारा काम खत्म नहीं हो जाता है. देयर मस्ट बी द प्लेयर्स हु प्ले द रोल टू फैसिलिटेट द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन. So these institutions को life कौन देता है? The players. Those are the individuals or the groups. We know them by the name of political parties, pressure groups, different interest groups and others. So here comes the functional part, that is politics, जिसको हम राजनीति भी बोलते हैं. The polity यानी राज्य व्यवस्था कैसे काम करेगा? For the welfare of the people, it is the duty of politics to make sure that. So politics in हिंदी हम जिसको बोलते हैं राजनीति, वो ये देखता है कि the structural aspect कैसे functional aspect में convert हो. We often mistaken by saying that politics is same as elections, but that is very wrong. Elections are a part of politics, but not entirely politics. Politics actually mean achieving and exercising position, and to achieve and exercise position in those institutions that we have read in polity or political system, we need to conduct several contests and elections, जो कि politics के अंडर आता है. Now I hope it is very clear to all of you the difference between polity and politics, which is very simple. That is, polity is the political system or the structural aspect, and politics is making the structural aspect function, that is the functional aspect. Now political science is completely different from these two, which is actually an academic discipline. Political science, जैसे कि यहाँ पर science word mentioned है, it means scientific and systematic study. किस चीज का systematic study होगा political science में? Polity and politics के जितने भी individual dimensions है या फिर इंटररिलेटेड डायमेंशन से उनका स्टडी होगा इन द फील्ड ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस. यानी पॉलिटिकल साइंस इज अ वेरी वास्ट सब्जेक्ट. It understands the relation between the state and the government and its different institutions, how state is connecting to its people, how people are connected to the government, and how a state is connected to other states. State का evolution कैसे हुआ, how was the state in earlier era, how it is different in the modern era. It covers a very vast sphere. Understanding the concept of political science, its dimensions, and its jurisdiction require a completely separate video, which we will do very soon. So in this video, I hope you all have understood the difference between politics and political science. And the most important thing is, these three terms can't be used interchangeably. That's all for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for everyday notification. Till then, stay tuned and discover your insight.